Careful with this thing. What's up YouTube, I'm back for another video. Tired of me yet? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Mjolnir.
I think it's Mjolnir.
Mjolnir, that's the name. Is it? Basically, Thor's hammer from the Thor movies and the Avengers movies. It's a pretty cool little item, and the item from the movies is really powerful.
Until it's completely destroyed.
Today, I'm going to be building it, and the best part is, it's going to be completely functional. I mean, it's going to work exactly like the Thor Hammer in the movies. I mean, it's going to be electric. Maybe not like that electric, because last time I checked, that was pretty impossible. Or was it? Long story short, the hammer will basically be sort of like a taser. When you push this top thing right here, it releases an electric shock. Not powerful enough to kill anybody, of course, but powerful enough to send a tingling feel through your body. It's done with this. This, my friends, is a shockpen. It's sold for pranking purposes, but today we're going to use it to make a hammer. A taser, basically. It's essentially a taser, and the best part is, it's dirt cheap. I found a pack of 2 of these for like $5 on Amazon, and I will leave a link to that product in the description below. Okay, I feel like I'm talking too much, and in my experience, when someone's intro is too long, the viewer skips to the content, and I don't want you to have to do that. Who am I kidding? No one's gonna see this part. If you did reach this part, good job. Now I'm gonna shut up and teach you how to make a hammer. Boom. By the way, did you guys see the new animated logo I made? It's really... Okay, well, let's get started. So, the first thing that you're going to have to get is a foam block. So, this foam block I just found in the recycling bin, or I was going to throw it into the recycling bin, and I decided to keep it. The dimensions might be different for when you find a foam block, but like, try to get it as close as these. So the top should be about 4.5 inches by 9 inches. This side should be about 4 inches by 9 inches, and then the front should be about 4 inches by 4.5 inches. So try to get it as close, the dimensions as close as you can to that. So the first thing that you're going to do is take cardboard and just apply cut cardboard so that it fills every single side of the whole thing. So, yeah. Alright, now we are going to poke a hole through here, and poke a hole through here, and then we are just going to keep carving it until the 2 sides meet. So you're going to want the hole to be as thick as possible. Well, probably not as thick as possible, but about like one inch in diameter. Because this is how the handle is going to go into and go through the other side. And yeah. So yeah, I got it as thick as I could. And now I'm going to make the handle. So we'll put this aside. And now you're going to want to get an 11 by 7 inch piece of cardboard. So 11 inches here, 7 inches here. And then you're going to want to roll it up until it's going to be the handle, so the tube should be about 1 inch in diameter. And you should probably check if it fits through. It's going to take some pushing, but it should fit through eventually. Okay, so I was finally able to stuff the the handle into the hammer. It looks pretty cool right now, but we still need to make it actually be able to shock. So, but before we do that, I'm just going to secure the handle with glue. The tightness of the foam around the handle holds the handle pretty well in place already, but we just want to be sure. Right. So I glued it and secured it, and now it's time to make it functional. So this is a shock pen. Basically what it does is that once you press this, it gives you a little shock. It's a pretty cool little item. It's usually used for pranks, and you could find it on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. So yeah, and that is what we're going to put in here to make it shock. Yeah, these are really cheap. I got 2 of them for just like $5, so yeah, you can find them for really cheap prices. So let's put them in here. So first I'm going to need some Scotch tape. And I'm going to just tape it to the inside. You're going to want to make this secure, because when you shock people with it, there's going to be a lot of pressure, and you don't want the pen to accidentally slide into the handle. Alright, so I got the shock pen in, and for support, to make sure that it doesn't fall in, I stuffed a lot of cardboard into here, and then now I'm going to glue it secure with yet another piece of cardboard. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little ring of cardboard around here to make it look better, and then after that, it will be done. Alright, so I'm going to put a little cardboard ring around it to make it look nice, and once that's done, I'm going to either paint it or cover it in with colored paper, and then we'll be done. that's basically it. As you can see, if you have built it, the results are shocking. Do you see what I did there? Anyway, that's it. That's how you make a fully functional Thor Hammer. Basically, all you have to do is touch the target to the top of this. Ow. And yeah, it shocks. That's basically it, everyone. If you like this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for what I build next, then feel free to comment below or DM me on Instagram. And I'll see you next time on the Gadgetsmith.